Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive verify data from BBL Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is my dream country.
Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? That one is not your dream country.
Because Malaysia, I feel safe, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. Hi, ma'am. I'm Jillian Claire Palma. I'm 25 years old. I was born on February 27, 2001. I am a single mother of three kids, two girl, two girls, age 5 years and 1 year old, and one boy, age 2 years old. Um, I have 4 years experience as a housemaid here in the Philippines with two different employers. My main duties is to clean the house, ironing clothes, washing dishes, cook simple meals, and especially taking care of a 4 months baby. I am applying for this job for to support my children and to give them a better life, ma'am. I am a hardworking and patient and willing to learn, ma'am.
All right. So thank you for your introduction, Jillian. But I would like to know some few more details from you first. You are a single mother or married?
Single mother, ma'am.
Do you have boyfriend or live-in partner?
Mm, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
February 27, 2001.
Are you vaccinated and what type of vaccine?
Yes, ma'am. I was vaccinated. Moderna, ma'am.
Second dose?
Yes.
What is your height and your weight?
I'm 5 flat and my weight is 46, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm a senior high graduate.
All right. So you mentioned that you got three kids and your children is still small and some more and somehow you are a single mother. Where is the father of your children?
Uh, he have already his own family, ma'am, with
Oh,
the other girl.
oh, so that bad. Because your children is still small, right? So who will
Yeah.
going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
They are under custody of my mother, ma'am.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
She's 46 years old and a housewife.
All right. So how many brother and sister do you have?
I have four brothers and four sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the fifth mom.
All right. So your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you mentioned that you have a working experience in the Philippines. In which part of the Philippines you have your experience as a housemaid?
In Davao, ma'am.
All right. So your first employer, you worked for how many years?
3 years and 3 months.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I was started in March 2015 until 2018.
What month is it?
March, ma'am, I think,
In
if I'm not
2018, March
mistaken.
also.
Yes, ma'am.
So you worked there for 3 years, and your main duties is
To clean the house, cooking simple meals, washing dishes, ironing clothes, and taking care of a 4 months baby.
One child only, is it?
3 kids, ma'am.
Did you do
But
the
only my
laundry?
priority. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so your priority is to take care a 4 months old infant.
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
So after 2018, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. For my second employer,
All right.
Chinese.
So your Davao there is you stay in maid or stay out?
Stay in.
Okay. So in Philippines, you work in Davao also.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Stay in or stay out?
Stay in.
How many years you work there?
For my second employer, I worked them for 7 months, ma'am.
What month and what year did you started and finish?
I started on February 2018 until September, ma'am.
February. Your first employer
Yes.
is you ended March 2018. The second, this one we are. I am asking the second employer.
I I end my contract in my first employer 2018 January, ma'am. Or yes,
January. And then 7 months is you start February until what month?
September, ma'am.
Alright. After what is your main duties?
Cleaning the house, ironing clothes, and washing dishes. Also cook, ma'am.
Alright. So after 2018, do you have any working experience or what?
No, ma'am.
So 2018 until recently you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes.
Alright. So being an OFW is not that so easy, you know. You know it. Why you are you aware that being a domestic helper is not that so easy? It is a very tough one.
Yes, ma'am.
So why you still wanted to work as a domestic helper?
Because I want to support my 3 kids and give them a better life, ma'am.
Working here in Malaysia also is not that so easy, okay? Houses here is very big. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in the Philippines, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore. You miss your family or there is uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines. No such a thing that as this is a 2 years contract. You will going to sign a 2 years contract and once you terminate your contract without cause, you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah? Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs or your kids because you are a single mother. In Philippines, we can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, we need to humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Normally, how will you gonna deal with your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad and frequently homesickness will attack you anytime and anywhere? How will you gonna handle it later?
Yes, ma'am.
How
I'm
will you
sorry.
gonna handle your homesickness later?
Okay, ma'am. I'll ask my employer if I can use my phone. Then, if she agree with that, then I'll call my family, ma'am.
Alright, I think that's all for now, Juliet. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much and have a
Yes,
good
ma'am.
day. Bye.